My little pony, my little pony. What's cracking, y'all? It's your girl Jale, and welcome to Love Jale. So today I'm going to be reviewing another headband wig by Nice. But really, I'm going to be showing you guys different ways to style your headband wig, because it's summertime and it's hot, and sometimes you don't want to be doing your hair or worrying about your hair or having those long hours of getting your hair braided, sitting there for 7, 5, 6.5 hours of getting your hair braided. You just want to toss on a wig and just do a simple style. I'm gonna show you how. Y'all ready? Let me show you. But first, let me show you what's inside. So, you know, the normal packaging. So on this package, you got, you know, the cute little bag with the cute little headband. I swear, I love red. They be knowing, I swear they be knowing. They be reading my mind. And it comes with a wig cap and the wig. So this one is the wet and wavy. Wet and wavy, and it's 24 inches. Oh, and it comes with another headband. I like the flowers, they're so cute. Ooh, ooh. Look at them curves. Look at them curves. Okay. All right. So of course it comes with, you know, the 4 combs, so it can grip to your hair and won't move. It reminds you, know, you've seen those old videos of people just snatching wigs up. Mine real quick. Secure it. We're gonna secure it like securing the bag. Push it back. Ooh, not that far though. Don't worry, my fingers through it a bit. Oh, now we got it on. Let's see. Which one will go through my outfit right now? Let's do the red. The red. Well, neither one of them will go good with my outfit, but we're just gonna try it out. Okay, so we're going to get into the first hairstyle. Well, something simple, but still cute. This is really cute and really simple. Just pull some hair just for, you know, a little bang. Well, not a bang, but a bang. Boom, bang. Boom, bang. But it's something simple and cute. And then we can do other styles. It's Ooh, this is really cute. Okay. I might do this style more. I like this style better. Look at this. This is another one. Can't go wrong with the little half updo. And then let's see. Let's do another one. You can even put it. A little bun. That's up to you. Thank you. Cute, but simple. Can even do and a pony. I keep little pony. My little pony, my little pony. I had to go there, I'm sorry. That's what when I said pony, that's the first thing I thought of. Okay, so let's try another one. Oh, can't get over this hairstyle. This one's really cute. Really simple, but really cute. Really simple, but really cute. I really like it. And let's do one more. And last and finally, cute little butt. That's really cute too. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys like and subscribe to my future videos so you guys can see more of hair tutorials and hair reviews. Look at the way it jiggle. But no, seriously, hope you guys enjoyed it and hope to see you guys later. Bye.